about the equity thing. So how is the equity works for you?
Okay.
So if we're going to buy, let's say if I have a house now and I want to use my equity, how do I use that equity? Do I need to borrow that one from the bank again and put that money out, or?
Yeah, exactly. It's worked in that way. But as I can tell you, the only real estate point of view, mostly people, especially in these days, you know, everyone, due to this inflation, all the prices going up. No matter is the food, or no matter is the petrol, no matter is the house prices, everything is going up. And people, they don't have much saving. That's why they don't have a saving, but they wanna use some money to invest somewhere. They wanna buy a car or so many things.
Yeah.
The equity is the best option because it's really low interest rate, the same interest rate of whatever you have at the moment on your house loan.
Yeah.
Probably it's almost maybe some differ, but your broker will guide you the better exactly. But real estate point of view, normally people buy a house from us when they see they have an equity. They use their equity, and let's suppose they have 100k, 200k, whatever the equity they have. With that equity, they pay the deposit for whatever the property they're going to buy, 500k or $1 million one, or in between, whatever the property, townhouse, house or unit, whatever they're going to buy. If they, let's suppose they're going to buy $500,000 townhouse or property, they're going to pay 20% down payment, same thing, the 100k they're going to pay, and the plus the stamp duty, things like that. And so the meaning is that money in these days, very rare people, out of 100, if you're going to ask 100 people, hardly you're going to see 1 or 2 or maximum 5, 10 people, they got 120k in their saving. But most of the 90% people, they don't have the saving.
Yeah.
They use their own equity. Then they buy the property. Otherwise, if people think, okay, we will save first 120 or 200k, then we will buy the second property. I don't think so. In this life, we have the second chance. That kind of, we will save first the 200k, then we will buy the another property. By the time we're going to save the 200k, the property we thought the $1 million, it could be the 2 million or 3 million.
Yeah, it's right.
So that's the thing. Actually, every broker guide you. Actually, you have this much equity. You can use your equity. With that equity, it's not. I mean, it's not like a superannuation. Equity you can use anywhere. The simple is that you can buy a car and things like. But I'm telling, if you wanna use your use your equity, ask your first broker.
Yeah.
How much equity I have, and where I can use this much equity. The most because I'm a real estate agent, I'm telling you, always invest in property, because even you're going to buy any car like this one, 200k value, the car value is going down in 10 years. Yeah, so there's no appreciation at all actually. But if you're going to buy the house, even $1 million house, 200k equity, you're going to pay down payment. $1 million house in 10 years, it could be the $2 million. But your car, if you spend that 200k in the car, in 10 years it's going to be nothing else.
Yeah, that's true.
So that is the thing. So equity is really good. Everyone should understand what is the equity, where they can use the equity, and what is the process. You should talk to your broker, or you can contact to us. We can connect with you, the brokers, or yeah.
So the broker is the one who's going to give you all the information.
You each and every step, how things gonna work, how everything is going to.
Yeah, so everything is through the broker.
Going to look after you.
Okay. So as long as we have
as long as you have any existing property, and as long as you and your wife is working, that is the good sign. You can use your equity.
So need to be both of us need to be working. And maybe
I mean, those kind of things, it's a broker look after.
Okay.
Maybe your earning is too high, maybe your earning is too low. That is the broker part. I will explain you, okay, because your job is too good, you can have this much equity. I mean, earning is too low, you can have this. That is the broker part. He's going to explain you everything.
So it depends on the capacity of the couples.
Yeah,
they can pay the second property
how much
or not.
You are earning, how much things, this and that. Yeah.
And how about if we're using equity and the son or the daughter is going to use the equity to build their own house? Is that possible?
Like, look, this is the tricky one, because this one, according to the government, if you want to gift your daughter any amount of something, and your daughter can use that amount as a deposit. It's very simple. Father can give the gift to
the
daughter,
children,
okay? And it doesn't matter father getting that from the equity, from the saving, or from either way.
So basically, if we use that equity as a gift, that's allowed.
It's not a meaning the allowed. You giving the gift. When you pass on the gift to anyone, whatever they want to use, they can use with that gift.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very simple. That's not your headache, but they're going to do with your gift.
Yeah, that's true. I get it now. So that's another form of using the equity to buy a real estate, because
to help
it's
your
really good,
kids and things like that one.
Help the kids to start with their own investment thing, because it's really good for the kids to start young on investment market, especially in the real estate.
And especially if they are working, that's really important.
They should be working.
Them, okay, you give it some amount for the down payment or whatever, things like that. But their borrowing capacity should be matched the whatever the property they buy.
Okay. Even if this starts small, 3 by 2 by 2, that's good enough.
Whatever, even one bedroom house, one bedroom apartment, things like that.
So you can build small houses as well, because you normally build 4 by 2, 3 by 2.
In few areas we sell 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, everything.
So that's way more cheaper if depends on their capacity to buy.
Yeah, the way more cheaper is again I said the same thing. It depends on the area. The 1 bedroom sometime in the city is more expensive than the normal house.
Because that's city.
Yeah. So it's depend area to area.
I think that's good. It's more clearer to me now about the equity and the self-managed super fund, because that's the main thing that we're asking. And the other one is if their children can use the equity, and that's so more clear to me now.
Yeah.
Thank you for thank you for the time, and thank you for the information that we gathered today. Okay, so that's more clear to us now. We can use super, we can use equity, we can use our equity to help our children to build their own real estate thing. So as long as the parents has enough equity in the house, we can help our children to build their own portfolio. Okay guys, see you again next time. Thank you Harry. Thank you, bye bye.